Hello everyone, I do hope you're well. I've got some butterfly pendants. Now these are colour changing and I'm just going to make some necklaces with them. I do have a website which I'll link below for you where you'll find them. I also have some smaller ones if you didn't want them so big, and just very quickly hold them and they change colour. They change into lots of different colours. I also have the cabochons. Again, I'll quickly hold this one. See the colours on those, and these are in lots of different sizes, round, oval. So those are mood cabochons if you want to have a look on the website. So I'm going to work with these today and show you how simple it is to make some necklaces. You could make them into key rings, put them on a bracelet, it's up to you. I've also this is a new bracelet that I've come up with. It's got my initial C, although I might put it on there. It's just a simple, it's something I might end up stocking. And also macrame. I made a macrame bracelet. I am a beginner, but I made this one, so I will be doing a tutorial on that one. So if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel. I have lots of tutorials ideal for the complete jewelry beginner. So I've got my two pendants. These are ready-made chains, but you can make your own. I've got a video showing you how to make your own chains. We've got two 6mm jump rings, two pairs of pliers for opening and closing the jump rings, and I've got these. Normally I put my necklaces on a card, on a jewellery display card, but I've actually got these velveteen pouches that when I make rings I pop a ring in, so I thought I will use those for a change. So again, take your pliers. Jump rings have a split in the top. Well, these do. Some are solid, but these are jump rings you can open and close. So we always open and close this way. And then we pop through the hole on the pendant, pop your chain in, and then we're just going to close them back up. That's fine. That is how quick to make. So if you do craft fairs, so quick to make up, or making presents for someone. We'll just do the other one. I know I should put my glasses on. As I got older, I never used to wear glasses, but now that I'm older, my vision's terrible. So we open the jump ring, pop the pendant and the chain, and then close. Right, it's not quite closed, so I'm going to redo it again. Open, together, there we go. As I said, they'll pop in there. I'll pop them in there. And that makes a great gift. so simple to do. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, take care and happy crafting.